Welcome back, everybody. I'm gonna try to go through here as slow as possible. I was hoping I could find a place to stop. Just to show some of the flood damage here in Kerrville. We have a very sleepy river. Look how high the water was. There's debris in that tree. In the tree, way up top. It's crazy to think that I would be underwater right now. I would be underwater. And where they're talking about, that 2.5 hour period where the river rose, 26, I even heard up to 38 feet. When you have debris in the tree, right there, above my head, even here, stuff was hitting. That is crazy. Crazy to think. And everything's closed. I won't go down in there, but yeah, it's crazy. And the next bridge up really shows the magnitude of this flood, and I can't get down in there. So let's see if we can at least get across the bridge and go kind of slow. And Camp Mystic is further up the river, and Kerrville is down, and I'm pointing down the river. And then where I live, I'm super close to the Guadalupe, but we are south of Canyon Lake. Canyon Lake is dammed, so with the lake being so low, it absorbed all of that water that came down the Guadalupe. So there was some pretty serious flooding around us, but nothing like up here, just because of Canyon Lake. Come up here to 16. Yeah, I think this one's 16 right here. And we'll look down the river. Oh, they got a Salt Life sticker. I got one on the back of my helmet. I got the one for the truck, but I don't have the truck back yet. It's been in the shop over a month. If you know anything about GM and their most recent recalls of the 6.2, the 10-speed, and no recall on the 8-speed, but I opted in on it being a certified truck, which put a warranty on it, which then they are doing the transmission. Look at that. Those trees are just bent over. Make sure I don't have hazards on. And the water was over those trees. That is crazy, if you ask me. I've never been down this road. Let's just, hey now. Cute little town. We got a wall, but we can stand up, right? Yeah, we'll go right here. We're hill country, whatever, right? Take my phone in case we need to get a better camera on this. Oh, oh that water. Look how clear it is. And the sound. But yeah, look at that. Let's switch here. This way we can zoom in a little bit better. Yeah, it's crazy to think, you know, that it was literally a wall of water. Okay, we're doing a still, so let's just do 50. Yeah, I love the sound of the rushing water. Sleepy River, right? The thing is not even 2 foot deep. And it went from 2 foot to 38. Crazy. Oh, I guess I should say what the day is. I can actually see my Sunday the 21st September. Ooba. Get it all locked up here. Let's see where Camp Mystic is. You guys see my, there we go. No thanks. Camp Mystic. Okay. Yeah, I want to go there. Directions. Oh, it's another 40 minutes away. We'll just head down the road. So I will be back when I get down the road.